My name is Vusumuzi Phakathi, and that is my purpose: to awaken the Father's home from within. He teaches me that to carry out my purpose, I have to carry Him in. I have to worship Him, live the life in accordance to Him. If He's the hymn, the song, then my whole being ought to sing Him. Since His word is His expression and I am one with His word by His intention, then my entire existence ought to express Him. Since His word is the way, the light, and the truth, His word is love, and in truth, love is the way, the light, and the truth, then expressing love is expressing Him. My name is Vusumuzi Phakathi, and that is my purpose: to awaken the Father's home from within. So do not call me a child, because I am a force from God's vocal cords sent forth to the wild nations and kingdoms to break down, pull down, throw down, build up, and plant. I am like a sheep that walks around in wolf's skin, howling discipline in the unity of sin. I am insane. I converted these wolves into herbivores, put them on track and lead their pack, because I am no ordinary sheep. I am that ram, I am that rammer, I am the Father's spoken word, and I have learned to speak to myself, rather speak to this word, and in return this word speaks to me, declaring how things are to be. Look, my name is Vusumuzi Phakathi, and that is my purpose: to awaken the Father's home from within.